guys, Crystal here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make some super delicious vegan lemon bars. Now, funny story, it's my boyfriend's mom's birthday party today, and he was suggesting we go and pick up a dessert on the way. And if you guys know me, you know this would be my face when someone asks me to pick up a dessert. I'm just like, pick up a dessert? Don't you mean I will be baking a dessert? Duh. Because if you guys know me, you know that I love to cook and I love to create. And creating food is one of my favorite things to do. So, that is what's brought me here today. Now, one thing I want to say before I get into this recipe is that there have been a few people who have been asking me why I do not add text descriptions of my recipes to my videos. The reason for that is because, for those of you who might not know, I've been working on a cookbook for about a year now, and that's where these recipes are coming from. Making these videos is my way to give you guys free access to the recipes. Now, if I were to add text descriptions of the recipes, then I would basically be giving my cookbook away for free, and that would be stupid. So if you can follow this video and you can, get a little notepad and pen out and write down the instructions and what to do, then you get free access to the recipes. And if not, and that's not what you want to do, then you can wait and buy my cookbook when it's finished, and I'm hoping that will be around October 2019. And I really hope that, no one feels some type of way about that. I just think that the videos and the cookbook are going to be two different things, but the recipes in the cookbook are going to be the same exact recipes from my YouTube. So if you don't want to buy the cookbook or you can't afford to, you can go on YouTube. But if you want the cookbook and you prefer text versions of recipes, you can buy the cookbook when it comes out. And that I will totally be updating you guys on. If you want even more updates, then you can follow me on my Snapchat and Instagram, because that's where I post a lot of stuff on there. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this recipe. So the things that you'll be needing for this recipe, there are basically two different ingredients, the crust and the main part of the, lemon bars. So the crust is going to be a cup of oats, a cup of almonds, about 3 tablespoons of cane sugar or coconut sugar or whatever your sweetener of choice would be. And this is about 1/4 cup of coconut oil melted. So those things are going to be your crust. For the filling, we're going to have the juice from 2 lemons, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, very tiny amount of turmeric. This is funny, I have it in a frosting container. #recycle. 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. 1 cup of raw cashews, and the very top hard part of the coconut cream. If you've ever used coconut cream, you know what I'm talking about. And the zest from 1 lemon. Last but not least, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. Should not have poured that ahead of time, but oh well. Ooh, that's really good. Of course, some powdered sugar to top it with. So, those are your ingredients. The equipment that you'll be needing is, this is what I'm using, one of these, this is a pink Lake Rosette, what would this be? Honestly, you can see my face and the thing. I don't have a measuring tape. I don't know how big this is. Just like whatever you would use for lemon bars or any sort of bars. And a high-speed blender. So those are the things that you'll be needing. To make this recipe, the first thing you're going to do is add all of your crust ingredients to your blender. So that'll be your 1 cup of oats, your 1 cup of almonds, and your cane sugar. Once that's finely ground, you're going to put it in a mixing bowl and then add your coconut oil and a little bit of maple syrup just to get it going. Once that's nice and, able to form into a crust, you're going to transfer it over to your baking thing. What is that called? Baking pan. And you're going to put that in your oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. While that's going, you're going to add all of your filling ingredients to your blender and blend all of those up. Now, once that's finished, you're just gonna pour that right over your crust and then put it in again for about 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Super quick, super easy, and then you have some super delicious lemon bars. All right, so that was it. I probably won't come back with a taste test tonight because, I am bringing this to a party and, I'm not gonna be able to taste it, but I will insert a little thing to let you know how it was. But, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone has a fantastic day, a fantastic year, a fantastic life. If you decide to make these lemon bars, please post it on Instagram and tag me so I can repost it and like it. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.